Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of freshness with Downy Light Laundry Scent Booster Beads for Washer in White Lavender. These beads are crafted without heavy perfumes, dyes, or phosphates, ensuring a light and refreshing scent for your laundry. With Downy Light, you can enjoy all-day, long-lasting freshness that lasts 4 times longer than using detergent alone. Using these beads is a breeze. Just toss half a cap into the washer drum before adding your clothes, and adjust the amount next time to suit your desired level of freshness. Safe for all colors and fabrics, these beads are compatible with any washing machine. Immerse yourself in the comforting aroma of freshly picked lavender blooms, softened with hints of creamy vanilla. Transform your laundry routine with Downy Light and experience a new level of freshness today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.